What Gambia sounds like. Gambia sounds like 5 a.m., the call to prayer, breaking the dark. Roll out your mat, bow your head, answer something bigger than you before the sun even speaks. Gambia sounds like wind through palm trees, leaves thick, heavy, clapping secrets to each other. Birds not chirping, singing something ancient, a rhythm the sky remembers before we do. The ocean, ebb and flow, soft and rough, like life, don't know which version of itself if waking up. Morning, too quiet, night, too loud. Afternoon, that's where it sits, that's where you see it. The breeze, soft like smoke, like something calling you but not telling you why. Gambia sounds like school bells, recess, lunchtime, children scattering like birds, feet hitting dirt, laughter breaking rules. Football, yeah, soccer. Don't you hear every kick like a heartbeat outside the body? Gambia sounds like come come, fish market voices pulling you in. Jump on the 1010, fast, fast, vans flying like they late for something that ain't even started yet. Tires screech, doors slam. Hurry up, then wait. Gambia time. The Gambian time, not in the mind. Not late, just moving at the speed of breath. Gambia sounds like horns at night, not music, but damn near close. Everybody rushing to nowhere, and still it feels like somewhere. Gambia sounds like history you can't ignore. Colonization, yeah, that still echoes. Not loud, but it's there. Gambia sounds like the mosque on the water, beautiful and broken at the same time. Children carrying buckets, water dripping step by step, drip by drip. Life ain't easy, but it's moving. Gambia sounds like children everywhere, laughing, crying, jump rope snapping the air, little girls spinning joy out of nothing, skirts catching wind like freedom trying to stay. Gambia sounds like rain hitting everything at once, not soft. I'm talking pouring, feet in slush, mud gripping your ankles, trying to make it home. Flooded again, oh Lord, 2 seasons. Hot, rain, that's it. Not in between, but just like life out here. Gambia sounds like you gotta shut up to hear it because it don't scream for your attention. It waits for your presence. Monkeys in the tree, branches shaking, leaves rattling like laughter with teeth. Snakes, low hiss, quiet danger sliding through silence. Hyenas breaking bones, cracking meat, hitting ground, clunk. In chaos, that sound, that survival. Gambia sounds like the ocean taking lives, men, children gone. And the waves, they keep talking like nothing happened. Gambia sounds like sorry, quick, easy, like it ain't nothing. Like motherfucker, you just hit me. And life just keeps moving. Gambia sounds like fire and food, fish crackling on the grill, oysters popping open, fresh, real, alive before your eyes. Gambia sounds like farms breathing, Water trickling through soil, okra, tomatoes, life growing out of heat and patience. Gambia sounds like a woman, like me trying to understand it. City in my bones, but something here calling me like I've been here before. Gambia ain't quiet, ain't loud, it's both. It's beauty and struggle in the same breath. Gambia sounds like you gotta listen, past the noise, past yourself, past what you think you know, and you just hear it for what it is. Gambia sounds like rites of passage, not soft. I'm talking drums, knives, tradition with written in flesh, circumcision that screams in the villages, don't echo far, but they stay in you. It's a different position. Elders sit, decide, no questions, quiet, pay attention. Because here, tradition speaks louder than the individual. Female mutilation, daughters in pain, held between culture and choice, a line drawn between what is honored and what is endured. It is a different tactic on life, not yours, not mine, but theirs. And you feel it heavy in the air, like something you don't touch but can't ignore. Gambia sounds loud and sometimes scary because truth ain't always beautiful and culture ain't always easy, and both exist at the same time. The breeze still moves, the ocean still breathes. Village stands around me, Tangi, Sakuta, Latakunta, Bacau, names like rhythm, places like memory, Cocoa Ocean Resort and Spa, waves crash, none of it stops the tide. Because life here don't pause for contradiction. Gambia, say it proud, because it's beautiful and it's heavy and it is both at the same time. The breeze hits me and I feel it, all of it, the joy, the weight, the questions that don't have easy answers. Gambia, oh Gambia, I stand in it. I hear it. I don't turn away from it. And somewhere between the ocean, the villages, the drums, and the silence, I find something real. Gambia. It's Gambia. And in the middle of all of it, I am here, breathing, seeing, still free. Gambia sounds like the drum, the heartbeat, not just music. I'm talking blood memory. Something older than language beating through your chest like it remembers before you do. Gambia sounds like festivals, clean, sharp, alive, color moving, energy rising, the conqueror spirit high, unshaken, tribal dances, feet stomping the ground like they waking up ancestors. Ancient, still here, still loud. Gambia sounds like crowds pushing, pulling, excuse me, but nobody really stopping because life here don't pause for nobody. It just keeps going, fast, steady, never ending. Gambia sounds like 3 a.m. and it's still alive. Fire grills burning, smoke in your eyes, voices low but never gone. Still cooking, still moving, still Gambia. Gambia sounds like drums in the distance. Villages calling without words, a sound that says come, and you feel it, not in your ears, in your chest. An elder has died. That's not quiet, that's movement. That's people gathering, Feet traveling, souls pulling together because respect don't stay still. You go, you show up, you listen. Gambia sounds like the baobab tree standing heavy with time. Sit under it, be still. Hear the leaves move slow, deliberate, like they carrying stories through the wind. Gambia sounds like your own heartbeat when you finally quiet down enough to hear it. Blood rushing, breath settling. You realize this place ain't separate from you. Trees don't rush, they stand, they witness. They know things we forgot, chasing noise. So be still, be in love with nature, with breath, with life as it is, not polished, not perfect, but real. Because Gambia, it ain't just sound, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a pull. And if you really listen, Gambia sounds like you finding yourself in something older than pain. Gambia.